Don't you hate how there's been so much rain lately?
Yeah. You know, when I was little, I used to like rainy days a lot.
I never liked them because if you go out, you get wet and then you can't hang your clothes out to dry. How come you liked rainy days so much?
Because I would go outside and play in the rain, and I would get in big trouble for it. My dad would force me to take a bath.
I should have known you'd say something like that.
Yeah, well, fortunately for him, I don't do that anymore. What's that? Take a bath or play in the rain? Play in the rain. I got sick of doing that when I turned 6.
Look, Rank! I made an ice cream cone with raspberry-flavored shaving cream on top. You are an idiot.
Man, what a classic show. I wish I could get this show on DVD. Too bad I'm flat broke. I wonder what Molly's doing in the other room. I better go see. I'll be back in a minute, Kerstin. Take your time. Okay, now to check my email. Oh, hey, Valerie. Molly, I'm bored out of my mind. You want to do something fun? Oh, sure, Val. But let me finish checking my email first. All right. I'll be waiting for you downstairs.
What's the matter?
What do you think's the matter with me, Kerstin? It's still raining outside and I'm bored out of my mind. I'm gonna go sit down on the couch for a while. Okay, now to take care of one more little thing. What gives? Why is there an error message on the screen? Aw, man. The internet's acting up again. I hate my weak internet connection. Kerstin, I'm getting bored of waiting for Molly. Can you tell me a story? Well, I'm not very good at telling stories, but I think I could tell you a pretty decent one. Hey, have I ever told you the story of the weather beaver? The weather beaver? No, but it sounds like an interesting story. Believe me, Val, it does. Once upon a time, high in the sky of this beloved planet, lives a magical beaver called the weather beaver. The weather beaver has the power to control the weather all over the world. He can make it rain. He can make it snow. He can do all kinds of things, being the weather beaver and all. Wow, Kerstin, that's some interesting story. Okay, girls, I'm here. Hey, Molly, you're done sooner than I expected. Yeah, I didn't have that much email on the computer. Besides, the internet was acting up again. I wouldn't be surprised. The internet has been acting up for weeks. I wonder what's causing it to act up so bad.
Hey, there are times when I'm not in the mood to work. I mean, give me a break, people!
Holy yarn balls, Kerstin! You almost made my eardrums pop! I'm sorry about that, Valerie, but I'm scared of thunder. Oh my goodness, the storm is getting worse. I better go unplug everything in my room, and fast. There we go. Everything's unplugged. My goodness, the storm is getting much worse. Seriously, Kerstin, why are you afraid of thunder? Because there's nothing wrong with thunder, Kerstin. All it does is make boom sounds in the sky. It's not like it's going to cause a tsunami or a wildfire or something. I don't like thunder. It's loud and rumbly like a big stomach. What? Is that why you're afraid of thunder? You've got to be kidding me. No, I'm not. Hey, Kerstin, you know what I do when I'm scared? What's that? I sing. Sing? Uh-huh. Watch me.
Milo, Milo, Bobby, Milo, Philo, Philo, Feedly, Milo, Schmilo, Schmilo, Schmosh, Milo, totally Billy Milo.
You see, Kerstin? Singing is the best way to help you overcome your fears. I learned that off a TV show. Give it a try, Kerstin. It'll help you overcome your fear of thunder. I can't, Val. I only sing when I'm in a good mood. Kerstin, you're acting like a big chicken. Okay, I'm back. Did you unplug everything in the bedroom? Yes, I unplugged everything. The TV, the VCR, the DVD player, the radio, all of my video game consoles, everything. That's good to know. We wouldn't want to lose any of that stuff just in case lightning struck the house, now would we? Hey, where'd Kerstin go? She's hiding behind the couch. Kerstin, why are you hiding behind the couch? Because she's afraid of thunder, and for a silly reason. What reason would that be? She thinks it's loud and rumbly like a big stomach. Aw, poor Kerstin. I better go talk to her. Kerstin! Hey, Kerstin! Kerstin, everything's gonna be okay, I promise you. Yeah, what she said! Everything's gonna be fine! Oh my gosh! What just happened? It's alright, Kerstin. It's only a power failure. Well, that was unexpected. But like I said, everything's gonna be fine! Oh, great! Amy's crying! Molly, what are we gonna do? It's pitch dark in here and I can't see a thing. Don't worry, Val. I have everything under control. Okay, Magic Diamond. I need a lantern. Pronto. Woohoo! Yay for Molly Kitty and her magic diamond! Thanks for lighting up the room, Molly.
It was scary in the dark.
Or a diamond. There is no substitute. Hey, Molly, is the power ever going to come back on? I don't know, Kerstin. It's still raining pretty bad outside, so we could be without power for a while. Don't worry about it, Kerstin. I'm sure this won't last very long. This is so boring! I think it's time for me to have a little snack. Kerstin, what is that? It's the new bubblegum flavored candy bar. It's really good. You want some? Okay. Not bad, Gum. Well, hot diggity dog, the power's back on! And not only that, the rain finally stopped! I'm glad to know that the rain finally stopped. I'm so happy that I feel like dancing! Now I can finally go to the store and pick up a few items. I'll be back later, girls. See you later, Molly! Hey, Kirsten, you want to go watch funny internet videos on Molly's computer? Okay, sure.
You know who else doesn't like to clean up after other people? My mommy!
That's so funny. Kirsten, seriously, those My Mommy jokes of his are not that funny. Besides, Muscle Duck is the only character I actually hate from Normal Show. Huh? An error occurred. Please try again later. What, the cat hairballs? Stupid YourTube and their inexcusable technical difficulties. Valerie? What? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the internet's acting up.